I'm going to make for you some hot smoked cod loin. Now we're going to do this in a hurry. Normally we would brine the fish in a salt water solution, 100 grams of salt in a litre of water. We'd dissolve that, immerse the fish in it, pop it in the fridge and leave it for around about 20 minutes. So this is a technique for doing exactly the same thing, achieving exactly the same ends, but without having to go through that whole brining process. Okay, so let me show you what we're going to be using here. So we're going to be using the Cameron mini smoker. I've already put some wood chips in here. These are whiskey oak, which I've done a video on where all that comes from. Link in the description. And we're going to put our tray on top here. We've got some cod loin ready to go into the hot smoker, and we'll just sit those on the rack like so. I've got to hurry this up because we're having this for dinner and I'm a little bit hungry now. So let me just get a paper towel, wipe my hands. Now, instead of brining this, what we're going to do, we're going to apply some salt just to the surface, nice and gently. You don't want to go too mad with this, just enough to give us a nice bit of flavour. There we go. That will be well seasoned. Next thing to do is to pop that on a gas ring. We're just sliding the lid on. We're going to leave it open until we see some smoke coming through. And we're doing this inside, so food smoking inside requires one of these. Okay, so as soon as we see the smoke coming, we'll pop this on. That's our gas flame. There we go. That's pushing some heat through into there. What will happen is heat will come through here, turn the wood chips into smoke. That smoke and the heat will pass up through into the top of the smoker, give the cod a lovely colour and aroma, and the heat also from the gas will cook the fish in its own steam. So you'll get this wonderful cooked fish without any additional moisture. In fact, this will lose some moisture, so you can see the smoke coming out here now. So we'll close that up like so, stick the fan on, and we'll see you in a short while. Always like to have a little check. Oh yeah, that's cooking nicely, bit of colour coming there. That's our timer, so we've had this in for 10 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Alright, oh, let's come back. Well, alright, that looks amazing. Let's kill that timer. It's getting on my nerves. Look at that. Okay, we can turn the heat off from here. Right, what we're going to do is just leave that to stand for a minute. Oh, look at that. How quick is that? We're going to let that cool down for a bit, because that is really hot. And once it's cooled down, we'll get that onto a plate and we'll get it served up. We can also lose the extractor fan, thank goodness. There we are. Hot smoked cod loin in about 11 minutes. Not bad. This is going to taste amazing. Okay, look at this fish, just flake apart. Beautifully done. Still translucent in the centre. Not overcooked at all. See how it tastes. God, look at that. Flaky or what? Wait for it. That's very nice. Oh boy. Let's have a look at what's on the base of this. You can see there's a few chips stuck to the base, but the remainder of them are in the bottom there. You can see completely obliterated, and that's all you need. Around about a tablespoon of wood chips for this size of smoker is enough to give you that beautiful smoky flavour and colour on your fish. I hope you enjoyed this video.